Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're someone who's constantly searching for the key to fuller, thicker hair, today's review might just be the one you've been waiting for. We're talking about Viviscal Thickening Shampoo, designed to leave your hair looking healthier, stronger, and more voluminous. But does it actually live up to its promises? Let's find out together. Viviscal's Thickening Shampoo combines a unique blend of marine collagen, biotin, keratin, and seaweed extract, which together work to nourish and strengthen your hair from root to tip. It's not just about cleaning your hair. This shampoo is formulated to reduce breakage and help improve the overall health of your strands. The shampoo also boasts a refreshing floral fragrance with hints of ocean breeze, making it a treat for both your hair and your senses. I tested this shampoo for a few weeks as part of my routine, and I wanted to see if it truly delivers on its promises. Right from the first use, I noticed how soft and lightweight my hair felt after washing. It doesn't weigh the hair down, which is a common issue with many thickening products. The texture of the shampoo is light and lathers really well, making it easy to work through the hair. The real magic, however, lies in the longer-term results. After a few washes, I noticed less breakage, and my hair felt noticeably fuller and healthier looking. The inclusion of biotin and keratin is a huge plus, as they both play key roles in strengthening hair and improving its resilience. In addition, the marine collagen works to help rebuild the hair's natural strength, which I could feel especially when styling my hair, less snapping and frizz. As for the cons, I wouldn't say it's a major downside, but it's worth mentioning that the floral scent might be a little too much for those who prefer fragrance-free or more neutral options. It's a very fresh, vibrant scent that lingers a bit, so if you're sensitive to fragrance, that's something to consider. So, let's talk value for money. Viviscal Thickening Shampoo is priced on the higher end for a shampoo, but considering its strengthening formula and the quality ingredients, marine collagen, biotin, keratin, I'd say it's fairly justified. It's not just another shampoo, but a treatment that targets hair thinning and breakage. If you're someone who struggles with hair health or breakage, this could be worth the splurge. Now, I know many of you are probably wondering how this stacks up against other thickening shampoos on the market. Well, it's more targeted and performance-driven than many drugstore options, especially due to the blend of active ingredients designed to nourish the hair while also improving its density. However, if you're looking for something more affordable, there are cheaper alternatives that might offer a lighter version of thickening without the intense treatment benefits. The shampoo is built with quality in mind. Its packaging is sleek, and the bottle is practical and easy to use. Nothing fancy, but solid. As for longevity, it's made for everyday use, which is convenient for people looking for a consistent product in their hair care routine. Customer support from Viviscal is known to be responsive, though I personally didn't need to reach out. Based on the brand's reputation, it's safe to assume that any inquiries would be handled with care and professionalism. As for product updates, I haven't seen anything major in terms of reformulation or packaging. It's a solid product that hasn't had drastic changes, just a reliable hair care solution. To wrap it up, Viviscal Thickening Shampoo really does what it says on the label. It's a solid option for anyone looking to give their hair a boost in fullness and strength. It's especially great for those who struggle with breakage or thinning, thanks to its nourishing ingredients. If you're willing to invest in hair health, this could be a game changer. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any future beauty insights. Your support helps us keep bringing you honest, detailed reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic. And hey, if you've tried Viviscal or any other thickening shampoos, drop a comment below and share your experiences with us. Until next time, stay beautiful, inside and out,